Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are gonna analyze NIO because NIO lost our support level over here around the $20. So right now NIO is going to crash, right? NIO is going to seek the $16, $15 down here. It is a bear trend. NIO is totally hopeless. Well, maybe, but I think there is still some hope in NIO. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, subscribe because I will keep you guys updated on NIO, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple and many other stocks. I'm sure you're going to find something interesting in this channel. And if you want to have access to premium analysis, subscribe our newsletters. The link is in the description of this video. You may have access to my personal weekly portfolio with weekly recommendations every single week. I always share some insights, share some stocks, give you guys some details of our portfolio, share my personal performance since 2021 over here against the S&P, and I always share the S&P chart. If you don't care about my own personal portfolio, check the Market Dive newsletter every single day, giving you guys more trading ideas, strategies, sharing some nice insights on QQQ, SPY, Tesla, NIO, Nvidia, Apple, and many other stocks. Seriously, consider joining one of my newsletters. Now, NIO, it did break our previous support level at $20. All right, this is a fact. Right now, we are below the 21 EMA, and in theory, since it is reversing the trend, we have a target at $15.86. If this is going to happen, I'm not so sure about that right now. I find it very hard to believe that NIO will actually drop to the $16 doing this, okay, dropping like this, in this, I don't know, it's nearly a pennant or a flag pattern. It is a very slow movement. I am quite skeptical about this drop. If it lost the support level and it kept dropping like crazy, okay, this is a true reversal. Right now it feels like NIO is just weak. We see the volume is very, very low since it did this peak over here near the $24. It peaked and then it dropped. The volume is only decreasing. It is a very, very low volume. This indicates that we don't see a sell-off in NIO right now. It is just dropping because it lacks momentum. And this is extremely puzzling. We see the S&P. The S&P doing amazingly well, breaking the previous resistances. The Nasdaq index is on the very verge of breaking the previous resistance as well. We are doing crystal clear higher highs, higher lows. It is quite unlikely that NIO will not follow this momentum sooner or later. Right now, it feels like it is just weaker because it went up a lot. Okay, this is true. Since the previous bottom level on May 12, it went up 111%. Right now, it had to drop a little bit, so it is only going up 66% since the previous bottom level on May 12. Wow, that's still quite incredible. But right now, what would give, at least to me, a crystal clear confirmation that NIO is indeed a bear trend? If we bounce back up to the 20s, to the 21 EMA as well, and find this point as a resistance, we could drop, and if we lose the $18 again, then alright, it's triggering a crystal clear pivot point, bearish pivot point. This is the bearish reversal structure that would make me more, that would convince me more about a bearish continuation, right? So right now, this, I am a little bit skeptical. Okay? This can't make me believe that NIO will keep dropping. This is not enough. In the weekly chart, we are doing, so far, a bullish candlestick, all right? This is not much. If we use Fibonacci, I didn't use Fibonacci in our last analysis, right? That's totally crazy. But if we use Fibonacci over here, it feels like we are trying to react around the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. It is curious because the $16 area, which is This near the support level in the daily chart is the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. So, in my humble opinion, if NIO drops and keeps dropping like crazy, it will be very, very hard and problematic for it to lose the 61.8% retracement. Alright, I don't believe this is going to happen. I'm not working with this scenario. I do believe we're going to react from here, but if we don't, I believe we're going to seek the previous support level down here, and this is it. I think a reaction at this support level would be one of the most incredible opportunities to buy NIO. Right now, we are reacting at the 38.2% retracement. If it really confirms a bottom over here, this is good. This is, in fact, this is great. It is not amazing or incredible like a pullback to the 61.8%, but it is also a decent pullback to one of the retracements, to one of its technical supports, and now we see a reaction. This is quite good. If NIO triggers a pivot point afterwards, the upside potential is huge. We have a first target at $33 and a second target at $44. So NIO, if it finds a bottom, regardless if it is at the 38.2, the 61.8 or the 50% retracement, I don't care. If we find a bottom at one of these support levels, one of the retracements, I believe NIO will have decent chances of triggering a bullish pivot point. In addition, you may see this as an inverted cup and handle chart pattern, right? Or even as an inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. I don't know, I don't care. If we break $24, we will probably see NIO flying very, very high. This week is the moment for it to react. If we react and close above the $20 again, I think this is going to be a very nice false breakout and possibly an amazing bear trap on NIO, and we could see some squeeze. We could see NIO easily breaking the $24. Now, Nathan, you're describing a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario. What is your personal humble opinion? Well, again, my humble opinion as a retail trader like everybody else over here, I think NIO has more upside potential and the chances are higher for an upside breakout than a bearish continuation. NIO looks quite interesting. Right now, the risk-reward ratio is more attractive than ever, and I think we have decent chances of going up. I am more bullish than bearish, but as long as we don't see crystal clear bullish structure, bullish reversal, I will remain neutral on the sidelines, waiting for something interesting to happen. Well, I will keep you guys updated on this, so seriously, remember to subscribe. If you want to have access to my premium analysis before anyone else, remember to subscribe my trading newsletters. Thank you very much for watching this video, my dear friend. Stay safe. Farewell.